Lights, camera, action.
Hello everyone, my name is Nirthang Shah. Welcome to Showreel Talkies produced by Showreel Media. Our gifting partners are Picasso Perry Pens, Pastel and Pastel, Gift Zone and Century Optics. Our tonight's guest is a model and an actor who started her career with a Marathi film called Mismatch. She later did a Hindi film called Encounter in the year 2014. She also worked in a TV serial called Kulfi Kumar Bajewala. She recently worked on a web show with Alt Balaji called Punchbeat Season 2. She has done various ads with Tata Sky, Garden Sari, VLCC and many more. Presenting Mrinmay Kolwalkar.
Hello.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm completely fine. I'm too excited to have this interview with you.
And I am all the more excited because I'm so proud of you that you have come this far. And all the very best to you. And I'm looking forward to have a rocking conversation.
Perfect, thank you. So with this, let me start the conversation by asking that it's been a lot of time that you've been continuously working at different projects, different ads, different serials. How did it all start? What was that one kickstart that told you, "Nahi, I want to be in this field, this industry"?
Okay, so basically I'm from Pune. I have done my schooling, my education, everything in Pune. And what brought me to this industry is I was very, very interested in fashion. And that style quotient, that glamour was very attracted to it. And in college also I was, I used to make sure that I wear fashionable clothes and I'm noticed and all of that. So what happened is in college, I was approached to participate in a fashion show and then a beauty pageant. Then I won a couple of titles in Pune. And then the modeling journey started, like before I knew I was doing some ads here and there or some modeling assignments. And I was like, wow, this is nice. I'm loving it. And I get to dress up every day.
Right.
And I love to groom myself. So this is what brought me to this industry.
So that is the whole sole reason why you shifted to Bombay.
Yeah, exactly. So what happened is I had not planned this. I had my plans of, doing my law, which did not happen. But eventually, of course, I did my post-graduation in sociology.
Right.
But then in the meanwhile, I was like, wow, I'm really liking this. And I think I should take this up as a career because if I'm enjoying what I'm doing,
Correct.
what better than that? This is what I should choose. But of course, I had my doubts. I was like, Bombay, it's very difficult to shift. I did not know. I was not sure if I could come here. But then what happened is there was this casting going on for a Marathi film, and they wanted a girl because the story revolved around a girl who lives in Pune and who loves Pune. And luckily, I was there at the right time at the right place, and they spotted me. They auditioned me, and then I signed my Marathi film, and then eventually I shifted to Bombay.
So when did this happen? Which year?
This was in 2014.
2014. So exactly your interest started off in school itself or later in the college era?
See, I was interested. I was always interested, but I was not very sure, or my interest did not have any direction to it. I had not planned this for myself. Of course, I loved it, but I did not know how to get it. So I think it was destiny. It was planned, and I was here.
Marathi film 2014, 2021. Obviously, you've done much more work now. Can you say that you are a much better actor, and if yes, then how so? How did that shift happen of you becoming an actor?
See, I wouldn't say I'm a much better actor. See, in anything, we are growing every day.
Correct.
And we are getting closer to our goal. We are grooming ourselves. We are working in a certain direction. So I think with everybody it happens, The more you work, the more experiences you get in life, the more, you get fine.
It automatically grows.
So that finesse is there slowly. So of course that has happened, and of course there is a long way to go. But from what I was and what I am, obviously I am more evolved now. I feel a little more accepted than I was before.
Ma'am, nearly 9 to 10 years in the industry now. So आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, ये मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ, मुझसे नहीं होगा? Wasn't there a downside in your life?
Probably every day, because this field is such that the only thing about this field is it's not stable. You don't know what kind of work is going to come your way. It's only the hope that you have that you find work or you make it where you're supposed to be. So every day, I would be lying if I say there are moments where you feel there is a self-doubt. at times that am I doing the right thing? Do you like is somebody else better than me, or am I doing something wrong? Or at in this industry everything is in the face. The success is in the face, the failure is in the face, so it gets very difficult at times. So but the best part is that you pick up yourself,
Right.
feel motivated, and again walk towards your goal. So every single day there are times where you feel it at times and you just pick up yourself and get going.
What
So-
do you do when it goes a bit out of the hand? Like, how do you pick up yourself?
So then what I do is I do something that I love.
Hmm.
Like the best thing that every woman must be experiencing
Right.
is I go shopping. I think that works like a therapy for me. Or then I just pick up the phone and I
Right.
speak to my friends.
Correct.
And when two women get talking,
Oh.
I can talk the
Yeah, yeah,
entire
yeah.
night with my
Ah.
friends. So I have such 2-3 friends where we actually speak our heart out
Hmm.
and we stay connected. So I do something, I listen to music, something which peps me up, something that makes me feel good. And
Right.
again, then that motivation
It
comes
happens.
inside
Can,
me.
I can still, I can do
Right,
it,
of course. No, and then I'm like, okay, there
Chalo.
is
Yeah,
let's
garo.
go. Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, in everyone's life, there's always that one specific person who's always been a support system
Right.
from the beginning of their career. Who would that one person be for you?
See, I've had lovely friends as well, but that one person who has been throughout with me in my journey, in my madness, in my craziness and everything is my mom, and the entire credit goes to my mom. I told you about how crazy I am about shopping, and my mom, she supports me if I'm walking non-stop for 4 hours
Right.
looking for things.
Right.
And she at her age, she's like, koi baat nahi, और देखते हैं ना, और देखते हैं.
हाँ.
Like she supports me in
Right.
everything.
Oh. So your mom is here with you.
Yes.
So she decided to shift from Pune
Yes.
with
yes,
you
Yes.
for your career.
Yes.
That's so beautiful.
And I've
It's-
really I've been blessed because my family has been my major support. And I always say that if you have your family support, there is your half battle is won.
Correct.
Then you don't because when your family doesn't support, you're all out alone, you're fighting. So it becomes all the more difficult.
Right. Ma'am, going a bit off, I want to ask about your social media life. Now, you've always been a social media person. As you said, you're someone जो हमेशा कैमरा के सामने रहता होगा. फोन का कैमरा भी आपके लिए उतना इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना फिल्म का कैमरा होता है.
बिल्कुल important है.
Okay.
क्योंकि मैं parties I'm not a party person, okay?
Okay.
And like I told you that I love camera, but the other side, the flip side is I am also a very shy person. If you meet me personally,
Okay.
I take really, really long to open up to people. It's only when the camera is there, I'm a different person. So at times, my friends are like, "Are you a split personality or what?" I'm like, yeah, looks like it. Because see, if maybe the camera was not here right now, probably I wouldn't be talking so much. So it is.
It is the camera that makes you comfortable.
Yeah, that is how it is.
That's
Otherwise,
unique.
if you meet me, I'm very simple. I would like to listen more than
Oh.
talk, or I do not have too many friends. I'm not very social, I'm not very outgoing. But it's only when I have to do a certain thing in front of the camera, I go all out.
And you enjoy.
Yeah, I enjoy.
Right. So, coming back to your social media, how often do you use Instagram in a 24 hours?
I think I use it like at least every day, almost every day I post a new picture. Then I make stories. And at times when I don't make stories, I'm like, oh, something is missing. I have not done something right today. Okay, I have to post something about it.
Okay.
So yeah, I really enjoy that, social media, the connect with the world, because that is how you actually showcase your life
Right.
to people and all over the world. So I love it.
Fair enough. Are you someone जो ये करता है कि यार इसमें मेरे को सिर्फ 4000 लाइक मिला है, इसमें 3000 है, अरे 1000 कम क्यों है यहाँ पे?
See, initially when the social media thing started, it used to affect me. I used to feel कि यार इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर मैंने डाली आज और उतने likes भी नहीं आए, but some random picture which I posted where I do not expect कि चलो यार आज कुछ नहीं है, मैं आज ऐसे ही डाल देती हूँ, उसको इतने ज़्यादा likes मिलते हैं, ऐसे कैसे होता है? I used to, it used to
Right.
affect me initially, but now I think I am also very like all of us, we know how the
Adapting,
social media works, so I'm cool with it.
Any personal incident with you that made you feel that I should like quit social media? This is so upsetting that has happened with you.
Not really, like it has not been that bad where I felt like quitting social media. But yes, there are a lot of people who will go out of their way to target you or to say something negative, which I feel at times like what world are we living in? Like, why is it so negative and why do people have to go through this? If you don't have something nice to say to someone,
बुरा मत बोलो.
yeah, कुछ भी मत बोलो, चलेगा. और हो सकता है कि आपको नहीं पसंद हो. It's not necessary that you like everything that you see.
Right.
But don't go out of your way to make that, put that person down, or say something negative, because that can actually at times make somebody feel very low or depressed, or it can add to someone's stress, which is not at all necessary, like which is not at all required.
Yeah, as you correctly pointed out, कि every day you have a question in your head, कि a doubt, a self doubt. But has there been a phase जहाँ पे you like कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी यार इसको, or something related to that?
Actually, the kind of person that I am, I'm a very happy person. I love to be happy. I am a peace lover. So if something is really bothering me so much, I do not let it affect me to that extent. I do, and in life I have learned one thing at a very, very early age, that everything for me in life is not related to achievements. Achievements as in professional achievements. I take interest in a lot of things. So, it doesn't actually bother me so much. And I have not been very ambitious, honestly speaking, कि ये नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. It's not even that. I believe that the moments that I, have, that is more important for me. So, I do not actually कि नहीं बाबा मेरे पास एक महीना काम नहीं. Of course, it does. I do feel कि I should be working more, or I should be there where I have to reach. But ऐसा नहीं होता कि I feel that my life is meaningless. And I've been brought up also in that way. कि चलो ये नहीं कुछ और. And कुछ अच्छा सोचो. कुछ life में there is so much to life. Work on something else. Pick up a hobby, or train yourself in music, or go for a dance class or something. Keep yourself. Don't restrict yourself to something. And एक चीज मैंने देखी है, that if you're after something, it doesn't come to you. So just let it be. How we say that.
जब टाइम होगा आपका हो जाएगा.
Yes. So keep working hard. Keep working on yourself. Okay, go out there. I'm not even saying कि घर पे बैठो और तुमको तुम्हारे पास अपने आप कुछ आ जाएगा. Go out there. Put yourself out there. Work hard, but don't hold this कि अरे नहीं कुछ नहीं हो रहा है मेरा लाइफ में. बहुत कुछ है लाइफ में करने के लिए. अगर ठीक है, sorry, आज शो नहीं है या काम नहीं है, but you use this time to improve yourself.
So would you like to share a social media trauma, stress, or some bad incident that happened to you related to social media?
See, social media, what happens in general is, of course, people in general, first let me begin with this. In general, एक बहुत कि ये film industry में है, this girl belongs to film industry, ये बहुत bold होगी. इसके ना very she's available as they call it, or she's ready to mingle with anyone. ये जो mentality है ना, that actually is a very wrong way of looking at any woman for that matter. So and everybody becomes the judge on social media. कि अरे आपने ये क्यों पहना? अच्छा ये पहना तो इसका मतलब आप बहुत बोल्ड हो, तो फिर हम कुछ भी लिखेंगे and you have to be okay with it. So there are a couple of people who used to text me कि some nonsense कि what, how about catching up and stuff like that, and then or saying some lewd comments which will not go down well with any woman. And at times I tried to I felt that if I name and shame them, it might make a difference. But what happens is, अरे आपने तो बिकिनी में पिक्चर पोस्ट किया है, तो आपके लिए तो ये आप ऐसे कैसे शरीफ बन रहे हो? So I was like, what? If somebody is posing in sexy outfits, that doesn't mean that we are ready to mingle with anyone.
Correct.
Like, so this is the general this the impression of people that they have. अरे बहुत बनते हो आप तो ऐसे घूमते हो, आप तो ऐसे bold scenes करते हो. It's high time that they should work on this mentality. So yeah, social media पे बहुत रोज़ी होता है कि आप there are some very nice people who actually appreciate things, and you feel very encouraged. You feel like actually doing more, doing better shoots.
Right.
But there are a lot of people who are still doing all this stuff, and I'm sure they must be doing this with a lot of women around.
So do you think that with time the mindset is changing, or it's just becoming more worse?
See, I think that mindset is changing to a large extent because people are very, very, I think, more accepting in today's time.
Right.
Like people are very open about talking about the relationships. Today, if you see, if you see like 10 years back, a few years back, people would not talk so much about their personal lives. Even the public figures will not talk. But today, people are very, very open about their lives, and people have become more accepting, you know,
Towards everything.
So I think a lot of it has changed. But of course, there are a few people who really need to actually work on their mentality and look at things in a different way and not through their lens, because it is not going to take anybody anywhere. And since if this toxicity doesn't, you know, we don't get rid of it till the time, so it is going to be trouble. And not only for it, it's going to be for that person himself. It's going to be, it's not a healthy state of mind.
Yeah. Sooner or later, he is going to, it's going to happen with him as well, maybe.
Exactly. And if they can sit and, you know, they can randomly bash someone or, right, you know, I think I actually wonder at times कि ये actual personal life में कैसे होंगे, you know? Do they actually have respect for anybody around? Do they in fact have respect for themselves? Do they know what they're doing? That is the question.
Ma'am, there's one interesting question that I want to ask you. I want to know a funny, embarrassing or a weird incident that has happened to you on set or on work.
Okay, so see, there have been many funny incidents, but one that I can really think of is this was one shoot that I was doing. It was a Marathi film, and it was in the very, very beginning of my career where you know I was very, very new. And there is one side to me where I can, you know, in my mind, though I look serious at times, but in my mind there's this whole crazy world going on. You know, I'm amused by every small thing. And I enjoy it, you know, I laugh about it. So there was a serious scene going on, and there was this veteran actor, and he was supposed to actually yell at the other actor. That was the scene. And I was a part of that scene, of course, and I was standing and all of us were very serious, and it was the last, I think, I remember ki location ka kuch, you know, we had to leave that place, there was a time constraint. That was the last scene that had to be shot, and we were all standing very serious, and the actor, like a very, very senior actor of our industry, he was there, and the director, like, he was actually under a lot of stress because a lot of things were going on, and we had to do that. And action bolne pe, the way he started, you know, talking, I had not expected. I had never been in such a serious scene. And you know, he said, so like I knew the lines, but lines के आगे जाके भी उन्होंने अपने side से जो भी बोलना था, he improvised, and he said a couple of things, and I was like, ooh, and I broke out into laughter. Like I started laughing, and that was like, you know, everybody said, what are you doing? And the director was like mad at me, and I just couldn't stop. I was like, मेरा tension ये था कि अगला भी take किया, तो भी, you know, it should, like, will I be able to stop or not? And बड़ी मुश्किल से वो scene complete हुआ, and then my director was like, this is not cool, you know, you're an actor, you can't bring out such that was really, really funny.
And this is the beginning of your career.
This was at the beginning, so you know, I got away with it because I was a new, very young girl, so they were like, yeah, but not done, you know.
So did the co-actor forgive you for this?
Yeah, he was.
Did you apologize for it?
Of course I did, but he was not very happy about it initially. But he's like, "हाँ, ठीक है, like yeah." Looking at, you know, maybe that I give you that benefit of doubt कि नहीं हो, but ऐसा नहीं चलेगा because it takes a lot of emotions to, you know, actually emote a scene. So I'm like, yeah, sorry. And now when I look back at it, like I'm like, oh, how did I do it? I hope I don't. I'm still the same actually. It's just that I have learned to control a little bit, and now I know when I'm into a scene, but can't guarantee.
Yeah, कोई guarantee नहीं है.
That I won't be going back to my old ways.
कोई आपको बता रहा है और अरे वापस हंस दोगे आप?
So ये बहुत ही funny scene था. Like maybe I don't know how it is sounding funny or not.
No, it is sounding funny.
Oh, when I was there and my mom was on the set, and she was like so tense. She was like, what is happening here? Like, don't do this, you
मेरी बेटी को चैलेंज नहीं है.
Yeah. Like,
Ma'am, you've worked in so many different places. You've worked in so many different sectors, be it TV, be it OTT platforms, be it films. When are we going to see you next?
So I have shot for this film called Miss Masala Dosa, and I'm playing this very interesting character in that, which, you know, it's very difficult because I've not done something like that in the past. Most of the times I've done all glam roles, whatever I have done. So here I'm playing a cop. So a very strict kind of a cop, and I'm very
Nice.
excited. And I hope that it releases anytime soon in 2022.
Oh, perfect. All the very best for
Thank
that,
you
ma'am.
so
I'm
much.
too excited to see you in that cop role, and I'm pretty sure the audience is excited too.
Yeah, I hope they all like it. And now that the times have become normal again and theaters,
Yeah.
opening up again, so we are.
Right.
Let's hope for the best for all of us.
And you being a public figure, ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो आपके जैसा ही आपकी तरह बनने की कोशिश करते हैं. So what is that one advice that you would like to give to them?
So the advice that I want to give to anybody actually is that don't take any kind of negative pressure. It's very important to stay committed to your goal, but don't just focus on the destination. Journey should be as beautiful, and also just don't keep your goals, restricted to your professional achievements. There is a lot more to life. Enjoy healthy relationships with your family, with your close ones, and small moments of your life. Everything. Just enjoy life overall, and stay healthy, stay blessed.
So, ma'am, with this, we end with our first segment. But we're just not going to let you go. We have a second segment which is filled with some fun games, activities. So, are you ready for that?
I am ready, but I'm a little nervous knowing you. Like that.
So, ma'am, the first activity is tongue twisters. I'm going to give you tongue twisters and you have to repeat.
Yeah.
Pretty simple? है ना? Repeat ही तो करना है. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ repeat करना है.
Let's see.
The first one is, I'm only going to repeat it twice, huh?
Okay.
Okay. So the first one is, लाली बोली लल्लू से, लल्लन लाया था लालू की शादी पे, लाल लाल लिफाफे में लड्डू. एक और बार बोलो.
Please.
Okay. लाली बोली लल्लू से, लल्लन लाया था लालू की शादी पे, लाल लाल लिफाफे में लड्डू. And action.
लाली बोली लल्लू से, लल्लन की शादी में क्या लाल लिफाफे में लड्डू.
नहीं
क्या?
अरे it was very nice.
Ooh,
आपने
see?
बोल दिया. ये गलत है, आप सही हो. गलत नहीं. Okay.
तो सब करवा के फिर बाद में ओके नाइस अच्छा है.
अच्छा सेकंड वन ये थोड़ा बेटर ट्राई करेंगे. ठीक है, I'll give you easy one. अचार का कचरा कचरे के डब्बे में, कचरे के डब्बे में अचार का कचरा.
अचार का कचरा कचरे के डब्बे में, कचरे के डब्बे में अचार का कचरा.
हाँ देखो सो इजी. अब एक काम करो, इसको बैक टू बैक 2 बार रिपीट
अच्छा.
फटाफट.
नहीं यही जो.
ओके लास्ट.
हाँ
ठीक है. ओके अभी ये मैं हार्ड दूंगा थोड़ा. शनिवार को सही समय पर शहद सही पहुंचाना, शाम समय पर शहद न पहुंचा, साल भर शर्माना.
ये पहले तो मुझे बताओ ये किसने, ये कहाँ से ढूंढे ये सब लाइन.
दिस इज ओरिजिनल कंटेंट.
अच्छा
Yes.
ओरिजिनल कंटेंट.
यस
तुम जरा एक बार बिना पढ़े बोलो ना एक बार.
मैम देखो गेम आपका है. यहाँ पे मेरे को कौन देखेगा. ओके आई विल रिपीट इट वंस. या शनिवार को सही समय पर शहद सही पहुंचाना, शाम समय पर शहद न पहुंचा, साल भर शर्माना. एंड एक्शन.
सॉरी वन मोर टाइम प्लीज. लास्ट टाइम.
अच्छा ठीक है.
हाँ
ओके. शनिवार को सही समय पर शहद सही पहुंचाना, शाम समय पर शहद न पहुंचा, साल भर शर्माना.
शनिवार को सही समय पर शहद पहुंचाना, शहद सही समय पर ना पहुंचा तो साल भर शर्माना.
क्या इम्प्रोवाइजेशन है मैम, क्या इम्प्रोवाइजेशन है. नहीं आपने जो बोला वो भी सही है.
सही कुछ भी नहीं है. सही समय पे आई डोंट नो यार व्हाट ऑल इट वाज.
होता है बट अमेजिंगली डन. इट वाज फनी एंड ग्रास्पिंग पावर बहुत अच्छा है मैम. So I'm gonna continue.
I know what that means.
I'm gonna go to the second activity now.
Yeah.
So the second activity is I'm gonna give you random stuff, random things, and you have to romanticize with those objects.
Oh God, this is difficult.
आप dialogue use कर सकते हो, expressions use कर सकते हो, जैसा आपको चाहे.
अच्छा.
So the first product is a cutter.
Cutter. So what do I have to do with this?
Romanticize. प्यार भरी बातें कीजिए. And action.
I am so much in love with the sharpness that I'm ready to get cut again and again and again in your life.
क्या बात है? ये देखो कटर क्या बोल रहा है क्या? अरे I love you too बोल रहा है. Okay.
I hope it did not sound cheesy.
No,
But
no,
it's
no.
okay.
It
On
sounded
this show we can
sleazy.
just do whatever. Yeah, right.
Okay. And the second object is Duracell Ultra.
Okay. So battery cell.
And action.
So when you are around me, I'm all the time charged, and that is the most powerful energy that I can ever have.
अरे बताओ. You make it sound so easy. I'm going to give you a difficult one now, please. Why?
So with you around, I feel entangled in this eternal bond forever, and I'll keep loving you forever.
I love you.
अभी इतना जो था ना वो बहुत है. I think साल भर का रोमांस हो गया मेरा.
अच्छा, हाँ, मुझे भी वही लगा. Okay, so with this, ma'am, unfortunately, we have to end the interview. But before that, ma'am, thank you very much for coming here, being with us, having this amazing conversation with us. I hope, जैसे मैंने enjoy किया है, the whole audience enjoys it and learns from whatever you've said. And I hope you enjoyed it as well.
Oh, I loved the entire conversation. I had a great time, and as you said, I hope the audience enjoys our conversation. Thank you so much for having me, and it was fabulous working with the entire team.
Thank you very
And
much,
I'm
ma'am.
sure that you will have season 2, season 3, season 4,
Yes,
and
we
this
will.
conversation will continue, and it will only get interesting and more interesting.
So, ma'am, we have a small token of appreciation from Showreel Media for you. And here you go.
Oh, how sweet! It looks so cute. Thank you so much. I had a wonderful time, and I'm
We're
looking
glad.
forward to come in your next seasons as well.
Done.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much, ma'am.
much.
All the best. Have a great day.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Mrinmay Kulwalkar. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Showreel Media. Thank you.